for the chapter in the Bible where Jesus is, to the metaphor they use where they give him the cup of all the suffering he's going to have to go through. And, he wants to push it away, but he also says that if it's Lord's will, then he'll take it in. And knowing that there's no way it'll pass him unless he goes through it. There's no way around it, just through it. So, this is Luke 22. I said, "This cup is mine," said Jesus. "Let it not pass me lest I drink it." And I'm steadily trying to keep up swallowing grief, but sipping it slow. Because you never know. When the trip from the crib to the coroner could be the crib to the corner, bro. More or less, boy, I'm warning you. Got a Bible, plenty pages torn up with corners up. Because I refuse to think that the good Lord is ignoring us. Good Lord is forward in the morning. Are you awoke too? Question mark. I sent that text out just to talk to this chick I used to know. Are you still up? Are you down to flirt? She can tell I'm drunk. I don't sound alert. Not slurring, talking loud and cursing. Girl, big bus cushion falls, liquor ponds drown to hurt. Hidden bottles smacking ass. You know I ain't no violent person. She said, "Well, it's past 4, so if it's important and you really want to talk, call back tomorrow morning." But I ignore her till she hang up on the nigga. Next thing I know, I'm on speakerphone drunk, praying with my nigga. I need more to talk to at 5 a.m. than just this liquor. I'm trying to get to where nobody can't even picture me in the wrong frame of mind or even visit me in the wrong state of mind or even trip with me on the wrong train of thought. Take any bars that you got, throw them in Shawshank to rot. I roll a totem pole and set flame to the top while it's pouring out storm clouds and purple rain. Drops going insane. Got lost and never went. Jumped off a ledge and ended up on medicine. See, my mind got a twin. I can't tell it from the wind. So I fill them both with weed and let them drift. At heaven's gates, tell them saints, please check the list. Cause Jesus know me well and time will only tell. The Rolex won't talk, but real speak for itself. I text that to myself on a broken Nextel. Mine's well, it's the young nigga who survived 2012, just out here trying to prevail. Meanwhile, surrounding himself with them blunt spitters who also trying to prevail. Can't count the piss tests they failed, but defining successes, rolling L's and stuff thicker. So I'm proud of the smell of lit. Light I excel, the scent casually dwells in thick closet I trail amongst incense or whatever else is up there. Stars of last month's prayers, I'm up there night wondering if I should lighten up the vibe. When I find life is matching lines, I'm writing in my rhymes. Now I don't know the future, but I met him. Not miss the same damn time, more like Armageddon. These nightmares, mom, the end of times is on the creep. I'm having dreams where the dead can't even rest in peace. I watch them climb straight out the ground and cold attack the weak. Deceased Catholic priest still preaching in the streets. It's hard to sleep because that's the type of shit I really see. Literally, I lit the weed like God, forgive me, please. And if I die before I wake, I pray the Lord wants on the take. I pray it ain't drug related or played on the first 48. Amen.
Amen.